Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an easy, stylish meal planner in Notion. Whether you're organizing weekly dinners, planning out grocery runs, or just want to bring a little more order to what you eat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom meal planner dashboard in Notion, ready to use or tweak to fit your unique routine. So let's dive right in. First things first, there's no need to start from scratch. For this demo, we're going to use a free meal planner dashboard template. That's going to speed everything up and give your meal planner a professional look right from the get-go. If you've ever started a project and felt overwhelmed by a blank page, templates are like getting a helpful head start. And don't worry, you can always customize things later to make it truly yours. Start by looking at the top left corner of your Notion screen. You'll see a little drop-down menu. Click that to reveal more options. Sometimes these small menu icons feel hidden, but they're powerful. Once you're in the menu, you'll want to select Browse Templates. This opens up a whole window of possibilities, but today we're focusing on meal planners. Now just use Notion's search bar and type in Meal Planner. You'll see a bunch of different pre-made templates pop up, created either by Notion or by the community. Take your time here, browse through the options, and pick one that matches your style or what you know you'll actually use. Some templates are simple, like a weekly list, while others have sections for tracking recipes, grocery lists, and nutrition. Imagine it as shopping for a planner at a store. Choose the one you feel drawn to. Once you've decided, simply click Add or Use this template, and it'll instantly show up in your Notion workspace. This part might take a few moments, especially if your internet connection is slow, but don't worry, Notion does all the heavy lifting for you. With your meal planner now added to your workspace, it's time to make it your own. Start by filling in your credentials. This usually means adding your meal categories, favorite recipes, or noting your dietary preferences. Templates often have placeholder content, so swap those out for details that fit your life. For instance, if the template has a dinner section but you want to plan lunches, just rename it. Think of this as organizing your own kitchen drawers. Personalize it in a way that makes sense for you. You can also customize the visual side of things. Notion lets you tweak colors, add cover images, emojis, or even upload food photos to keep things fun and visually inspiring. If meal planning feels like a chore, a little creativity goes a long way. Maybe change the icons or add motivational quotes to your dashboard. Remember, Notion is all about flexibility. If something doesn't fit your workflow, you can easily click and drag things around, delete sections, or add new ones. And that's it. You're all set with a professional-looking, functional meal planner in Notion, built in just a few minutes but ready to save you hours down the line. Whether you stick with the template as is or keep tinkering, the hardest part is just getting started. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want a deep dive into more Notion templates. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials. See you in the next one.